This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable comments on Instagram. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Instagram. This works exactly the same on the desktop app as it does on the browser version. But to enable or disable comments, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the lower left hand corner, down to the More button. I'm going to click on More. Then I'm going to go up to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on this page, the pane in the center here, you want to scroll down just a little bit to where you see it says How Others Interact with You, and right down here is Comments. Click on Comments. And then right up here, Comments. Allow comments from everybody, people that you follow, your followers, or people you follow and your followers. Or you can toggle off comments. And down below that, allow GIF comments. You could toggle on or off GIF comments. That is how to enable or disable comments on Instagram. Thanks for watching.